Alright, I just want to show how to use the extension cable for the control module. So the control module, this is the motor assembly, this is the control module, the whole thing I guess is the Bulldog valve robot. But we use a standard PS2, 6-pin PS2 connector on the control module, and we did that for a good reason. Because the cables are easy to get a hold of, and you could buy very low-cost extension cables. And so the idea is that you could extend this cable further away from the valve, and in some cases you might extend it upstairs from the basement so that you can access it, as an example for a cottage. Or sometimes when the valve is just in a difficult or awkward place behind the wall or something and you need to extend it. And I'm just going to show you. So this is, we've tested it up to 50 feet. I think this is, I don't know, a 25 or 15 foot cable. And I'm just going to plug it in here. So it's just a male on one end and a female on the other. So I'm just going to plug that into here. And plug that into here. And now you've got an extension. And now you can extend this wherever you need to and control it remotely with the extension cable. And that's it.